Rupees 336 is divided between A and B so that A gets 5 by 16th of what B gets. What amount does B get? Now, from the first part of the question, 336 is divided between A and B. We get the equation as A plus B is equal to 336. From the second part of the sentence, we get that A gets 5 by 16th of what B gets. So A is equal to 5 by 16th of B. So if we substitute this value in the first equation, we have 5B upon 16 plus B is equal to 336. So therefore, we have 5B plus 16B upon 16. That is 21B upon 16 is equal to 336. Now 336 divided by 21, we get 16. So therefore, B comes out to be 16 into 16, that is 256. So that will be our answer, option number B.